Deccan.
And the man we've been talking about so very fondly, Byakhtia, is going to get an introduction, and alongside him, it's going to be Mohammad Aqib as well. The defensive unit there by Shillong Lajong.
Yeah, he outpaced Save Me, and then it was Rudra Ved with a great overlapping run who was able to intercept it in time.
And at the other end, just when it felt like Frankie Buam can cut short, Mohammad Aqib does a phenomenal bit of work out there. Byakhtia now. Byakhtia does well. Still on the ball, 1 versus 2, and running rings around them. Another cross. Castaneda does well to control the ball, scanning the perimeter for more help. Byakhtia does well to cushion it down. And now an arriving Aqib gets hold of the ball. Another long ball towards Castaneda, headed away just in time.
Is down to the big centre forwards, and if they can get an opportunity here from this long throw attempted by Aqib, who himself has come on in place of Jagdeep.
Launches that long enough. Paulo trying to cushion it back forward, but again, too easy. Just chesting it down. Aqib now launching it long. Both the teams. Paulo Cesar on the turn, looking for that shooting space. And that too from a set piece. So another one of those. One might say it's a throw-in, but that is what in modern day football is all about. Launches that into the box and goes out for a set piece. Literally, it's a corner to follow.
Yeah, if they score from here, then you think that it is going to be game over for Lajong and season over for Lajong as well.
Mohammad Aqib. Aqib curls that. Again, headed away to safety. Shrinidhi happy to just see it sail out. Another long throw. And just take a look at how quickly Aqib rushes at the other end as well. It just tells you that he knows the urgency right now that's dangling in the air.